Assalamualaikum and hi doctor. My name is Iskandar Bisudin bin Hairi. My matching number is I240168. Today I would like to share about my difficulty that about facing the lab 3 activity. So I learned everything from the note, and basically I not familiar with the text editor. So I had to learn the basic commands such as insert, save and quit the file. So when I opened the file using VI my online learning.txt, I didn't know that the VI editor start in the command mode. So I tried typing, but nothing appeared on the screen. So later I found that I need to type the I command, so it'll show the insert, and then I can type my essay. And another difficulty is to save it and quit the text editor. So I would like to press the shift button and then double colon and WQ my online learning.txt to save it. So then it'll save. And next difficulty is I want to print the file, but I do a command lp my online learning.txt, but I cannot print it. It says there is no destination. So when I learn back from doctor and from the lab activity notes, so I know that Kali Linux cannot cannot print it and don't have a configuration about that print. So that's all from me.